Most YouTube creators spend hours making videos but forget to turn on important settings that can help viewers discover and share their content. In this video, I will show you 2 powerful YouTube Studio settings you should enable right now. So if this is your first time seeing my videos, please kindly subscribe, like, comment and share these videos. So where to turn on these 2 settings on your YouTube Studio to get more views, okay, to get more visibilities, okay. So when you get to your YouTube Studio app, what we do is to click on your profile like this, click on it, okay, then you go to settings, click on settings. Alright, so when you click on settings, these clips, make sure it's turned on, okay, make sure it's on. Alright, as you can see, my own is on, so make sure your own is on like this, okay. Like what they said here, they say viewers can clip and share my videos, okay. So this will enable viewers to easily share your videos whenever they come across it. That is, if they want to support you, share your videos. Okay, so if you do not turn it on, for example, if your video is interesting and viewers want to like support you, want to give you free promotion, because you didn't turn this thing on, you might just lose that promotion. So this enables viewers to give you a free promotion. Okay, so when this clip is turned on, viewers can easily share your video, okay. So make sure it's on, it's very important. So this is the first settings that you should turn on to get more visibility. You know that when viewers are sharing your videos, at least it's getting more visibilities, you know. So the second one is, so you go back like this, you go back, so you see this pencil, you click on this pencil sign. So when you click on this pencil, you scroll down, you are going to see home tab, okay. Click on this home tab. Okay, so this one is very important, so you make sure you switch this on, okay. If your own was like this, make sure it's on, okay, make sure it's on your home tab, and also for you, okay. YouTube recommend your content based on viewers interest, so this one should also be on. And also this home tab, show your channel home tab to highlight and showcase content for your audience. Okay, so these 2 settings are very important for you to turn on, okay, for you to turn on your settings to enable you get more visibilities. So for example, you put any video to showcase on your home tab and you don't know that you already turned off this home tab off on your YouTube Studio, that video is not going to show to your audience. When they visit your channel, it's not going to show. That home tab video is not going to be there. Why? Because this is turned off. Okay, this is turned off. Maybe it's an introduction video you posted, you set as your home tab, or any video at all. They are not going to see it first. You know, home tab video, anybody that visits your channel, any subscriber that visits your channel, they'll first of all see it. But if you turn this thing off, they are not going to see that video first, okay. They will not see it unless they start checking towards your videos, okay. When you turn that home tab on, when you turn it on, so anybody that visits your channel, they will see the video you set as your home tab, okay. So that is the reason why you need to turn it on. It's very important, okay, very important. And also for you, also turn it on. So these 2 settings are very important for you to turn on before you post anything. The first one was the clips, then you go to your home tab, then you turn on these 2 home tab, and then for you, okay, that is the 2 settings for you to turn on. So if you know you learned something from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment, and also share this video to someone that needs it. So see you guys on my next video.